Guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's another Starbucks video for you guys. So it's currently happy hour at Starbucks, so of course your girl has to go and film videos for you. I haven't filmed one in quite some time. I believe it's been a while since I last filmed a Starbucks video. But the next holiday that's coming up is Valentine's Day, so there's Valentine's Day drinks that I found, and the one that we're going to be trying today is called Love Spell, which I thought was pretty cute and appropriate for Valentine's Day. It actually looks really cute. I honestly don't know how it's gonna taste, so I'm kind of freaked out about that, but it'll all be good. I'm so excited. If you guys are, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Can I get a grande very berry with coconut milk and have that blended?
Okay, what size?
Grande, please.
Grande, you said. It's gonna say dragon drink, which is gonna say double blended.
Okay.
Because the dragon drink is with coconut milk.
Okay.
Cool. Anything else?
Can I get the blackberries and the strawberries on top as well?
Thank you.
Okay guys, I have the Love Spell Frappuccino, well not Frappuccino, the Love Spell drink here with me. I think you're supposed to get it with whipped cream, something else I messed up on. But it's okay, I'm not a huge whipped cream person, so I'd rather not have it on there anyway. But there are the freeze-dried strawberries and blackberries on the top, so if you get it, get whipped cream if you like whipped cream. If not, don't worry about it. It's not important. But I've had the dragon drink before, but I've never had it blended. I don't know if it's a big difference, but here's the recipe. It's a grande violet drink or a very berry with coconut milk blended, add blackberries and strawberries on top, plus add whipped cream, my bad. But like I said, whipped cream, I'm not a big fan, so I'm kind of happy I forgot it. But yeah, it's really cute, really pretty, totally Valentine's Day colors, obsessed with the colors, aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try it. Okay, I don't like that. It tastes like watered down, what is that fruit called? What is that fruit called that has like, maybe it's dragon fruit I'm thinking of. Wow, I need to like think. Okay, it tastes like watered down dragon fruit because it's blended, and the coconut milk, I don't really taste it. I taste a little bit of the coconut, but like not a huge amount. So I don't recommend this drink. This is like a 3 out of 10. I won't be getting it again. I think it's pretty. If you want a pretty drink, totally go get it. It's up to you. If you want just like a pretty picture, like this is perfect. But if you want like a really good drink, I don't recommend this. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's good at all. But that's just my opinion. Like I said, everybody has different opinions, so you might like it and I might hate it. You just never know. But yeah, it's pretty for Valentine's Day. I think it's pretty. I'm happy I got it. Will I get it again? No. Will I get it again with whipped cream? No. I won't be getting this again. But it's okay. So yeah, I think that's it to say. I have nothing else to say about this drink. Nothing good. It's pretty. That's about it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.